I guess here most of them get answer 24 for this problem in wrong order. Here 6 plus 2 is 8 times 3 power 2 divided by 3. Here 8 times, here 3 power 2 is 9 divided by 3. Here 8 times 9 is 72 divided by 3. Here 72 divided by 3 is 24 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, this 24 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. Also this addition subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority we are going to introduce this left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Yeah, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have the bracket in this problem. Next priority is exponent. So we have to do this exponent before this operation here. 6 plus 2 times here 3 power 2 is 9 divided by 3. The next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication division before this addition. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 2 times 9. So we have to do this 2 times 9 before this division and addition. So 6 plus 2 times 9 is 18 divided by 3. Here we have addition and division. Division is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this division before this addition. Here 6 plus 18 divided by 3 is 6. Here 6 plus 6 is 12 is the correct answer.